This is Karina demonstrating fine motor skills by pulling beads out of Play-Doh.
Me. I'm gonna get out.
Get what you can get out, okay?
No.
Yeah, that's good. Put it aside because you can see how you can count them after you finish to see how many you found.
Mm.
Dig, Karina, dig.
Yeah, done.
Kelly, we don't have to find all of them. We could just, we just want to see like a portion of what she's doing. And we could do some of the beading now too, putting in the string.
Okay.
That's wonderful, Karina.
Good job, Karina.
Yeah. Okay.